How to pronounce Aziel. First things first, here's the pronunciation. Aziel. You can think of it as three simple syllables. Aziel. First syllable. Start with a soft, relaxed sound, similar to the first sound in about. Second syllable. Z next, say Z with a clear and emphasized sound. Imagine saying the word Z, like the American pronunciation for the letter Z. Third syllable. Uhl finally, and with a gentle L sound, where your mouth relaxes at the end. It's just like saying the sound at the end of angel, but a bit shorter. Now, let's put it all together slowly. Aziel, 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 Aziel. Keep practicing until it feels natural. It's all about breaking it down and then flowing it together. Here are a couple of pro tips to master the pronunciation. Practice in front of a mirror. Watching your mouth move can help you get the right sounds. Record yourself. Listening to your pronunciation can help you spot areas for improvement. Break it down slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed until you can say it fluidly. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.